But there's a million vocal coaches that do that, so I'm going to offer something different. Your first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're attacking the note right. So you want to blow air out and then catch that air with your vocal cords so that your vocal cords vibrate as a result of the air. Ha. Should sound like ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. And you slowly get rid of the H. Ha, ah, ah, ah. And you should be able to twist that a little bit into your higher range. Ha, ha. And it may sound silly or goofy at first, that's okay. You could shape and mold the tone as time goes on. Ha, 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 he. There's a lot you could do with it. You want to start singing a cappella. I spent thousands of dollars on singing lessons, hours and hours of practice. I did not learn to sing on pitch and sing songs until I practiced singing them a cappella. And I started out, the only real exercise I used was vocal fry, the ha, ha, ah. And I would go up and down the scale with staccato notes. Ah, 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 ah. Sort of sounds like a seal. Ah, 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 ah. And that would teach me how to hit the note with as little effort as possible. And then once I was warmed up doing that, then I would practice different songs, and just whatever came to my mind first, na, 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 na. That's not even a song. It's just random notes that came to my head. Why do it that way? Because the biggest challenge in singing is to match your voice to your imagination, okay? Well, half the work is already done if you just aim for what's in your imagination already. If you want to recall a song and pull that into your imagination, that's more work that you have to do, okay? So to get better at singing, just sing whatever melody is in your head, whatever song is stuck in your head. Na 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 na. Alright? So that's how you want to get started singing on day one. So consider this your day one lesson.